Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day. Oh yeah, it's the first day. I guess it's a new day. Day one of the February Leetcode day challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, drop me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. Very easy one today to begin the day, so that's always nice. But yeah, just to give you a quick Larry foot update. It's better. Today's the first day I'm not walking with a cane, so I can walk with still pain, but I can walk today. So we'll see what happens in 2 days. I picked up my t-shirt and my bib, so we'll see. I mean, I'm just to be clear, I'm not. I know some people are giving me props for racing on Sunday. I'm not racing on Sunday. I am trying to finish it by walking it, but still, even walking, I think you need to be like at a 20-minute per mile pace, which I'm not right now because I'm still limping a bit when I walk, and I don't even know that I can walk for 2 hours in my current condition. Normally, I could run for 2 hours and there's no problem. But right now, I don't know that I can. But in any case, that's the update. We'll see what happens. We'll let you know. But yeah, happy new month, February. Yeah, in the US, it is Black History Month. So I don't really have. Actually, I didn't prepare this, so my apologies. But maybe tomorrow I'll kind of talk some history if y'all would like. Anyway, this is an easy poem, so maybe that's not worth it anyway. But okay, let's take a look. Today we have 3151 Special Array 1. Yeah, an array is considered special if every pair of its adjacent elements contains two numbers with a different parity. Okay. I mean, that seems pretty straightforward. I think something that they can do is describe, like, I think one thing that my pet peeve on Leetcode problems is that they don't really describe stuff. Like, what is parity, right? I mean, I know what parity is, but a lot of people might not. And, it's just nice to kind of, define your definitions. And especially if you have on Yeezy, especially on Yeezy, right? Because on Yeezy, you can assume someone knows stuff because people who are working on it, they might be new, right? So it's a little bit odd, but anyway, that's just a random criticism. Anyway, okay, so two numbers of adjacent numbers contains two numbers of different parity. I mean, okay, so I mean, this is just a language thing. I mean, you can definitely it doesn't even have to be a language thing, but you can make it a language thing. In Python, it's easy to do something called pairwise, and if you can find it, it's actually in other tools of nums, and it just gives you adjacent elements, right? So yeah, if you can write this in a couple of ways, right? So parity, you can just do mod 2 is not equal to y mod 2. Then we return. So that means that with the opposite of it, if it's any opposite, then we return false, then we return true, right? You can of course write this in a number of different ways. You can even write, for example, well, let's just run it real quick, just so that. So that I don't embarrass myself with the wrong answer. I'm like explaining a lot of these things, but that's part of TDD, right? Is that you build off refactoring. Even though in this case it may not be a refactoring of this, but you can also think about it this way of like, okay, x minus y mod 2 is equal to 0, right? So something like that, right? That's fine. I'm not gonna submit it this time. There are a lot of ways you can write this, honestly, right? Like you could even use or something like that, right, with the right parens, but that's the same as mod 2, so it's not really as fancy as it looks. But you can also just do like an like an XOR thing as well, right? And then look at the number one digit or something, right? So there are a lot of things you can do, like I said, but and some of these you can get really fancy. But wait, is it do we want it to be 1 or 0? Yeah, I mean, either way, I forget. I don't know if this is a 1 or 0, so definitely maybe that's homework for you. But there are a lot of ways you can make it. I don't know. I ran out of things to say about this one. So yeah, let me know what you think. It is supposed to be easy after all, right? So let me know what you think. Let me know how you do. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna do the weekly problem afterwards. And maybe we'll see how difficult that is, and then maybe I'll do another one just because I don't know. This is barely me doing anything. So yeah, linear time, constant space. In case you're wondering, thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, do good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.